weight. Government of India has declared 2010 to 2020 as the decade of innovation. Innovation is important to reduce cost, improve productivity, efficiency, improve quality of life, deliver public services. Innovation is equally important to be globally competitive, and we need to innovate at all levels. Innovation begins with people. At the end of the day, again, people innovate. In India, Government of India decided to set up a National Innovation Council and an advisor on innovation with the rank of a cabinet minister to show political will behind innovation. At the National Innovation Council, after several meetings, we decided to focus on innovation as a platform. In other words, we need to innovate not only in science and technology laboratories or universities or schools, we need to innovate in government, social sector, education, health, and innovation has to be in all walks of life to do things differently. In a sense, I believe many things we do today are essentially obsolete. We have the paradigm of the past. A lot of our processes were designed during British Raj. And today, these processes don't make sense anymore. So we need to design new products, new processes, new organizations, new systems, and all of this requires different mindset. So beside platform, we need to create ecosystem for innovation. There are lots of great ideas. How do you translate these ideas into action, into products and services? It requires product development, venture capital, if necessary, filing patents, copyright, trademarks, taking risk, building business, creating marketing organization, service organization. All of this requires a great deal of ecosystem. And if you don't take risk, you won't reap rewards. You also need to really focus on bottom of the pyramid innovations in India. I am convinced that the best brains in the world have been busy solving problems of the rich who really don't have problems to solve. And as a result, problems of the poor really don't get the right kind of talent. We need to really focus on bringing the best talent to solve the mundane problems. Problems that can ultimately focus on affordability,